Hi everyone, this is Alex from extra-paycheck.com. If you are not signed up to my course yet, please go to extra-paycheck.com and sign up to my free email course. Now this video is about building a Squidoo lens. Here's a Squidoo.com. When you create a free account, you'll be prompted to create a new lens, and this is the window you're going to get. Now this is pretty easy to work, but I still prefer the old Squidoo design. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this link right here, back to the old lens builder. I'm gonna click on OK in the window that appears on the side, and I'm going to be taken to the old Squidoo window, the old Squidoo lens builder. The first you will type in what your lens is about. The lens I'm going to make is about learning Spanish. Now this title of the lens, what the lens is about, try to use something that is your keyword. Using a keyword as your lens title is very important, so try to do so. Let's go to step number 2. I just leave this as default. Go to step number 3. Now lens title, it's already right there, that's what we picked earlier. Now we need to pick the URL, so the address for our Squidoo lens. So about, what is it about? How to and education, there you go. It's G-rated material, safe for all ages. Let's go to step 4. Perfect. Now they're going to ask us for 3 more keyword phrases to use. Your keywords need to be related to your lens, so make sure you don't type something that has no sense or is not related to your subject. This is important. Now you need to type the secret keyword here, the CAPTCHA code as it's called. Click on done. Well, here's your lens. Here's the actual lens. Now we're going to add some content to it and some modules. Now I already have a pre-written text for my lens. This is something you need to do. You need to write an article, kind of a website, because you're going to make a public page for everyone to see, so you need content for this page. Please do not copy this content from other websites for a few reasons. One of them, well, first of all, it's unethical, it's also illegal. People could actually take you to court for copying their content. And third of all, search engines such as Google, Yahoo and MSN, there's a chance that they will not rank your Squidoo anywhere in the search engine results if you have content that's copied from somewhere else. So you need to have something original that you have created yourself. Since I already have my text here, I'm just going to copy it, click here on add it, paste it. Here's the lens introduction, right? So once again I'm going to use a similar keyword phrase, a keyword phrase that's related to my lens. Learning Spanish. So yeah, I guess it's going to be good. Spanish. There you go. You click on save. Then I would like to add an image. I go back to edit. I'm going to browse to my computer for an image, and I'm going to select something that I also already have saved on my computer for the purpose of this lens. So go to upload photo. After a few seconds you're going to see your photo right here. Click on save now. There you go, your first module is ready. Now what you need to do, you need to add links to your ClickBank product or any other product you're promoting. As you see right here, there are no links, so I'm going to show you how to add HTML text links in here. Okay, perfect. And since I don't know anything about web designing or coding or programming, I will need help of someone else. There's a great lens to help us out with those codes and making links and so on. It's called, well, it's located at squidoo.com/basic-html. Please take notice of this domain. It's very helpful lens, and we're going to be using this lens quite a bit. Now, I'm at this lens that I just showed you the address for, and it has a lot of basic HTML coding that you could use in your lens. And here's one of them. This is to add a link. So we need to add this code if we want to add a link such as this one. So I'm going back to my lens. Now let's say I want to turn right here this text Lingo Basics into a link, right? Well, I'm going to delete it for now. I'm going to replace it with the code I just showed you. Now, the code here, the second part of the code, you need to write the text you want to be clickable for your users. Lingo Basics, that's for me. Now, as the domain, here as you see href equals, and you see the actual domain name here. You're going to use your ClickBank affiliate ID or any other affiliate ID that you want to promote. Alright, so I added my my URL in there. Now if you're going to save it once again, you're going to see that Lingo Basics, the text I just added, it's highlighted in blue. And eventually you'll be able to, when you publish your lens, you'll be able to click on it and it's going to take you to the website using your affiliate ID. Alright, so let's keep on. Well, to publish a successful Squidoo lens, you will need at least 5 different modules. I suggest 3 or 4 modules of text, a module of video, maybe some photos. As you could see, you could add YouTube videos. You could even vote. You could add a voting poll. You could add a guest book. So to add a new text module, once again you're going to add it. Excuse me, I already have my text for this lens. You'll have to write your own. So let's say I take this chunk of text, I add it in here, I gave it a title. Once again I'll use something like how to learn Spanish, and make sure that you put your links. Let's say I would suggest 1 link per module. Right here I have Lingo Basics ebooks. I would change that into a link. I could do that by simply going back in here, click on edit. I'm going to copy this right here, copy. Then I'm going back into here and I'm going to paste it. And the text here I think was Lingo Basics ebooks. Now I click on save, and just in a few seconds it's going to appear right here. Now another important thing, people like images, so try to add images when you can to your lenses, to your modules. So here once again I could add another image, upload photo. I'm going to save this once again. Now as you can see I have now 2 modules, the introduction module, and this is another text module which includes a link right here. You could add another link if you wish. And once you're done with adding all the modules, you'll have to click on publish, which you can see right now. I'm going to show it to you. The publish button is right here. You click on publish. It will take a few seconds, and see, since I don't have a lot of content, it's telling me it's suggesting actually to go back and add more content. If you have 5-6 modules including a video, maybe images, and 3 or 4 modules of text, it's not going to ask you this. It's going to let you publish right away, but well, I still could publish it, so I click on publish anyway, and well, it's done. My lens is published. If you click on view lens, you're going to see your lens right here. This is my lens. As you can see, I don't have much on it yet, but I'm going to build this lens later on. Now this is also important. Here you're going to get a part where you could add a picture, you could add some biography, so you could write something here also to add another link to the product you're trying to promote. And well, this is pretty much for building a Squidoo lens. As you see, it's pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.